Putman Family. Died September 2025. Cause of death, car accident. The Putman family, known for their close bond and for appearing on the TLC series Meet the Putmans, tragically lost their lives in a car accident. Their story of unity, faith, and resilience touched many across the nation, showing how love and togetherness can overcome life's challenges. They are survived by extended family and friends who will carry forward their memory with love. The legacy of the Putman family will remain in the hearts of all who knew them. Tributes to the Putman family. Jim McNeely. Born May 18, 1949. Died September 25, 2025. Age 76. Cause of death. After a brief illness, Jim McNeely was a Grammy award-winning jazz pianist, composer, and arranger whose career spanned more than 5 decades. He worked with the Vanguard Jazz Orchestra and inspired generations of musicians as a teacher and mentor. His creativity and brilliance shaped the sound of modern jazz. He is survived by family, colleagues, and students who remember his dedication and passion for music. Jim McNeely's legacy will live on through his timeless compositions and influence on jazz. Tributes to Jim McNeely. Tony Harrison. Born April 30th, 1937. Died September 25th, 2025. Age 88. Cause of death. After a short illness, Tony Harrison was one of Britain's most distinguished poets and playwrights. His works, including the acclaimed poem V, explored themes of class, language, and identity, leaving a profound impact on literature and theater. His voice gave strength to the working class and reshaped English poetry. He is survived by family and admirers who will forever cherish his words and vision. Tony Harrison's contribution to literature ensures his words will echo for generations. Tributes to Tony Harrison. Georg Stefan Troller. Born December 10, 1921. Died September 24, 2025. Age 103. Cause of death, natural causes. Georg Stefan Troller was an Austrian-born writer, journalist, and documentary filmmaker. A Holocaust survivor, he later became one of Europe's most respected voices in media, creating powerful interviews and documentaries that revealed human truth and resilience. He is survived by family and admirers who honor his extraordinary life and work. Georg Stefan Troller's storytelling legacy will continue to inspire for years to come. Tributes to Georg Stefan Troller. Jeffrey Alfred Legum. Born 1930. Died September 23, 2025. Age 95. Cause of death, peaceful passing. Jeffrey Alfred Legum was a respected businessman and philanthropist from Baltimore. His generosity supported education, healthcare, and the arts, leaving a lasting imprint on the community. Through his work and charitable spirit, countless lives were improved. He is survived by his family and loved ones who remember him as both a devoted man and a community leader. Jeffrey Alfred Legum's legacy of compassion and service will not be forgotten.